Okay, what is this, Lady Ada?
Hey everybody, and welcome to a wonderful Wednesday here at Adafruit. It's me, Lady Ada, broadcasting live from the Adafruit headquarters in downtown Manhattan, where it's me, Lady Ada, Mr. Lady Ada, and 3 engineer guests. Wow, amazing! Yeah. You get like quadruple your money, 4 engineers for the price of 1. You get an exciting show and tell. We'll be hanging out with all these makers, crafters, and people making stuff in the community and showing off what they're doing. Let's kick it off with Noah and Pedro. Everybody else, mute your mics, and we'll call on you soon.
Hey, what's up, guys? We got a simple practical printing project here. So we got these 90mm fans in the shop. They're really nice. They already come in an enclosure. There's a nice on-off button here. And the only thing that's missing is a carbon filter. So I've been using like gaffer's tape, you know, stuck to the front side for a couple months. So I finally bugged Pedro, and he designed me this nice little 3D printed retainer. It's actually not little. It's kind of large. It's like 100mm. So it just snaps into the hood of it like this. And it slots in like that.
It's got eyes.
And there you go. It's got eyes. The fume extractor. So very helpful. It keeps you healthy because it keeps those flux fumes away from you.
It thrives on solder smoke.
Yes, it does. So if you want to print your own, we have the file up on the learning system. You can get all the slice settings for it because it was quite challenging to print because there's a lot of overhangs there. That's not easy to do.
Nice job.
So thanks, and we talked about it this morning on 3D Hangout, where we may or may not have inhaled some solder fumes.
Okay, you're doing great.
It's good for you.
Thanks.
Right, thanks, man, Pedro. All right, next up, Colin. Are you around?
Hey.
Yeah. Hey.
Hear me all right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Good. Perfect. Well, anyway, now that I can be heard, I'll do some speaking. So I also do some listening and making of music. I always like to make music, and I love, you know, inputs, interfaces, and I have different keyboards. I got little keyboards that fit on my desk. I got a bigger keyboard over here. But for putting in drum beats, I always just like to tap on the table, and people give me drum pads and things like that, and they're too bouncy and rubbery. I got really picky. I actually really prefer to tap on the table. I know it seems silly and probably like I'm just being too finicky, but I make better beats that way. Anyway,
whatever it takes to make the beats.
Whatever it takes to make the beats, of course. I have, you know, some clues in about some microcontrollers, MIDI and stuff like that, since this is the place I work. And I realized, oh, yeah, I could just make a simple input device that is actually totally attached to table. So I did really simple with some capacitive, some copper conductive adhesive back tape, which we have in the shop, the wide kind, and now I can just tap away. And there you go. It just that's it, and I don't have to be like, it doesn't. My timing's off because my MPC's pads are too thick or whatever. Anyway. And probably I'll just wire these in to do like a start-stop kind of thing for transport mechanisms later.
I like the wooden key. Is this like a wooden Apple IIgs keyboard there? What's going on?
That's keycaps from an old Apple keyboard, yeah. And it's in a modern like poker-style case, yeah.
Okay, open Apple, action.
Right. Thanks so much, Colin. And here's some maker trivia history. I met Colin because he came to a music event that I did at Etsy when Etsy was like 4 people and Make was just Bree and I, and that's how you got a job.
So true. That's how I met Lamore too.
Yeah. Exactly. We kept feeding him, and he just kept coming back.
All right, thanks,
like
Colin.
Hungry brains.
All right. Okay, next up, Phil B.
Right. Hello there. Hey, we got some new displays in the shop. These IPS TFT displays. What does IPS stand for?
Interplane switching.
Okay, I'm just going to call them IPS. But they're about the same size as the TFTs we had before, but like way better contrast and nearly twice the resolution on both axes, so like 4 times the pixels. So of course I've been you know, we have this eyeball code on the Raspberry Pi, and I have been adapting it to work on these new displays, and so a little glitchy right now, still working out the last bits. But like scary high res, like normally before you'd look at these things and they were very pixely, and it's just reaching like creepy levels of smooth. So you'll see these things up close, and you don't see the jaggies.
Yeah, when you hold it up right where your eyes are, it has a nice effect.
Yeah, I could probably.
Oh, you know, you can actually flop them over your head, and you could. Yeah, there you go.
Like this.
Yeah.
What was that?
You just saved Caitlin's dad a ton of Photoshop work.
There was a sunglass company that made a pair of sunglasses that went over the top of your head.
Oakley.
Oakley, you remember the one? Right?
Yeah, they followed up with the hit MP3 sunglasses as worn by Dog the Bounty Hunter.
They were very, very cyberpunk. But yeah, anyway, hopefully I'll have the code in a presentable state by the weekend. And if anybody wants to build something along these lines.
All right. Well,
thanks for indulging us.
I know what I'm going to wear. Halloween. Thanks, will be. It looked really good on you.
That's fine.
Cool.
Next up, Coding Pro. Hello, Coding Pro.
Hey, Blink Pro. Coding.
Hello. So yeah, I added a pretty cool new feature to my bot. It's called the Code Database or Code DB. Let me get into the right channel and I'll show you.
It's like GitHub for Discord, for Uber.
Kinda. Yeah, basically. Okay, I'm in my Discord channel. Oh yeah, and I changed the bot's logo thingy so it's better. Same with the server. So here I have it here. So it's MS Code, and it shows you all about it if you run that. It's a one-of-a-kind feature. Oh, hello, James KOS. And I have code in here already, so I can do MS Code list, and it lists all the code in the database. It takes a while because it's actually loading from another database. And I have a change avatar. That's how I change this bot's avatar. And so MS Code open 1. I'm going to fix the numbers because it starts at 0. And I'm going to also get rid of the MS eval because I don't need that because that's only for my bot. But this is one of the things. And if you want to add code, up here as it said, it's MS add code, code name, dash code language, code description, and code no markdown. I'm going to try to get it to work with, so you can make it colored like this one is. I just hacked it so that it's colorful. Usually it's
that's cool. So you can put in any type of code you want if you want to put in like CircuitPython.
Usually it's gray, but yeah. And then another thing, let me get into the right thing again. Okay. Let me screen share. Okay. I have a MakerSandBot website. And I host it on Glitch, which a lot of people use. JMKOS told me about this. And I used HTML5 up. Not many people know about it. It's templates, really cool HTML templates. And yeah, and I used it for, and I actually used an API. I've never done this before. Use an API to get the upvotes of the bot and the servers it's on. 16 already, yay. Oops. And it has all the links and stuff in here, and it's a pretty nice template. And I tried to modify a bit so it's not exactly like the same one. But yeah, I'm going to try to add more features to the website soon.
Looks great.
Good work, Coding Pro.
Nice work.
If you want a sticker, you know how to get hold of us.
A virtual sticker. I could put a sticker on the website.
I'll send you the graphic if you want.
Totally.
Okay.
Put it on his website.
Next, Jay, I think you have a pretty big demo here. Yeah. All right, Jay.
Souza phoned it out.
I wonder what he's going to show.
I don't know what he's going to show off. Maybe his hat?
I know exactly. Forgive me, I'm really nervous. I've never done one of these.
It's okay.
That's fine.
So what you have is, do you all know what a sousaphone is?
We do now.
Yeah.
It's the big tuba in the back of the band. And so what I have is on the front of my sousaphone is 861 neopixel.
Right.
And so it's a grid of 33 by 33, and I built lots of stuff with pots and buttons and so all the switches. So it's 0, 2, 4, 8. Anyway, but all lots of different settings. And so one of the things I can do is I can switch modes. And so I play George Mason. So there's one mode. There's how much time do I have?
Keep it to like a minute. Show us a little bit more and then play some.
Okay. So anyway, so what I'm doing, I'm switching a button here. It's this very simple button as it goes through the animation. Then as part of the pots, I can speed up and slow down the animation. So here's you may recognize some of these animations. I've been on GitHub and I find these, and a lot of these are for a single strip, but I run it across the 32. So anyway, I got slow. I got that.
Oh, that's nice.
Looks cool.
And I got game. Let's see, that's Game of Life. I think Ms. Pac-Man should be
that's good.
Pokeball.
there, and there's the ball. But wait, there's more.
Yay!
There's more. So by switching all these modes down. Way before the game. In the game now. Then on the boxes, what I've done.
Sousaphone loves you.
I can set the colors. So of course it's RGB. So I turn up blue, or I turn up green. So anyway, lots of dials. So here we go. Turn up the gain. This is my favorite.
All right. Epic.
Oh shoot! Sometimes the buttons bounce. Darn it! It's not working. All right, I got a short. So what the other thing does is it actually replaces the notes when I say B flat, F, G, everywhere, and so.
All right. Well, looks great.
Jay, this is an outstanding project. And since I saw that you put stickers on the side of that, you're probably not opposed to putting more stickers. So can you email support@adafruit.com and can we send you out a scene on the show and tell sticker?
Sure.
It'll be the envy of the rest of the band. Ooh, the skull's
Ooh,
nice. Yeah.
skull sousaphone. Wait, like you playing like
This is great.
Oh, this is like Star Wars or something inside the
Outstanding.
sousaphone.
All right, Phil B, if you can send him
Right,
a
stay on
big
target.
eyeball, if you can send him eyeball code, that'll be good.
Thanks, guys.
Okay, thanks so much, Jay.
Bye.
All right, getting through the alphabet. Next J is JMK. Hey,
Hey,
JMK.
JMK.
What you got going on?
Hello. So my birthday is tomorrow, so I made a little video on my channel about what I did for made for my birthday. And what I made is a little notepad program. If I just share my oops, now we found an error. I can fix the error.
Do you want us to come back to you?
No, because I just fixed the error.
Happy birthday, Bugs.
Happy
Yay.
birthday.
On Max.
How does it feel to turn 21?
Yeah, come back to me. Something's wrong.
Okay, we'll get back to
I'll
you.
get back to you.
All right, next up. let's see.
Techniac.
Techniac,
Hey.
unmute your mic and show us your project.
Welcome.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Good to be on here for the first time.
Yay.
So we, within I think 3 days of getting our laser cutter, successfully made this little thing.
Ooh.
And this is actually my business card. So that's a link to my website I set up. And we've been experimenting, actually.
I'm gonna ask you to hold it up again as soon as I get my app.
Oh, yep.
You have a QR thing?
I can send you a photo on Discord, too.
Well, keep going because I don't think I have this app anymore.
But yeah, so we have the QR code, and then I've been experimenting with downsizing it to make a bunch.
That's fun.
I've been cutting my robotics team logo.
Yay.
Good.
It's like challenge coins.
Yeah, I know. And then I'm doing, I started an Etsy shop of making little bookmarks. So I have so many books all the time. There's a few other things. But unfortunately, within 3 days of getting it, they asked for it back because we were in a bad production batch. And it had a camera glitch. So it's on the way back. And I'd actually love you if you guys have the computer graphic of the sticker, send it to me. I'll etch it and then send it back to you.
Yeah, when you email support@adafruit.com, tell them to forward it to, or pt@adafruit.com as well, and I'll do that. So apparently someone said that the iOS camera
does
now
Yeah,
has
so
QR
the
code.
iOS camera has it.
Oh, can
It
you
might
hold it up?
not work through the screen.
Well,
but-
Oh, we're gonna find
this
out.
is-
Okay,
okay, wait,
back it up,
back
back
it up a
it
little
up, back it up.
Yep, good.
yeah,
Yeah.
it worked.
Great. It's a slow website because I'm still working on some of the features.
I mean, I'm on a telephone.
Oh, okay.
What's the worst that can happen?
All right, to invent.
Okay, look at this.
To invent, you need a good
Yep.
imagination, a pile of junk.
See, live demo.
Yeah, that's a good Edison quote I found.
Okay.
The site's
All right.
still a work in progress, so you'll see some just blank warm-ups and text.
Okay.
All right.
Good work, Techniac.
Going well, thank you, yeah.
Yeah, and email us and we'll send you out a sticker and the file.
Great, thanks.
All right.
Okay, JMK, you want to go or do you want it to give you more time?
No, this is fine.
Okay.
So the notepad, if you want to check it out, you can check out my YouTube channel. It's the same my Google Plus name. And if you want, you can click the little arrow next to my name and click profile. You can see the Google Plus profile. And then I think my YouTube channel is linked to that. But anyway, that's if you want to see the notepad. It's a secret because it's a birthday present to everybody. But
Ooh, reverse birthday.
but right now I'm going to show this.
Hey, cats.
Kittens.
I created this thing called slidethecats.glitch.me. This is the Coding Pro hosts his bot on Glitch. She made the Maker Sandbot website on Glitch. So yeah, everybody uses Glitch now. So you can select a cat. They're all just cat images. You select. This one doesn't work yet, but you can just choose the cat image, and you can use these buttons to alternate between cats.
Yay!
That's great.
All the cats.
This is better
Cat
than
selector.
this is better than Twitter.
You can also, if you want to do some searching, it's waiting for JMK search. There's also JMK search, which is a little glitch JMK search program.
Okay, cool.
That's cool.
So you can look on jmkos.com and stuff. It seems it's indexing the wrong version of my website because I just updated all of it. But so yeah, so that's what I guess I'm gonna show today. If you want a notepad, check out the YouTube channel. So yeah, thanks.
All right. Well, good work and happy birthday. And one thing, I think everyone could do something like you did, and on their birthday they can give something away too. I think that'd be cool because then everyone has a birthday.
Yep.
Okay, good work,
All
JMK.
right, thanks, JMK.
Bye.
All right. All right, Blinkcity.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, Blitz.
So I just have a quick project to start with. I really love Blinka, and I like to knit, so I've started knitting a Blinka. And I'm keeping track of the pattern, so I'll be able to release it when it's done. But I'm hoping to have it posed so it's all like wrapped up like the logo. But for electronics, I just finished up a turntable for video B-roll and running CircuitPython with Itsy Bitsy. And I threw the LiPo backpack on top, so it can be battery powered. Right now I'm charging it. So it turns on with this potentiometer right here, and I can adjust the speed. And I liked how 3-volt worked with the servo and also how 5-volt works. So I made a switch to switch between the two because they kind of have different characteristics because the 5-volt's a little bit more stable. And then I can also change directions clockwise and counterclockwise. And I also 3D printed it so that I can swap out the tops. So that's a black one, and then I have a purple one that fits right on top. And so if I need like different colors, I can print different ones. And yeah.
Okay. Outstanding work. And thanks for doing the Blinka thing. We have some more, if you're on the newsletter, we have the Blinka art folder. So you can grab all that stuff. And we just did some Blinka 3D models, and we'll have more Blinka stuff. So
oh, sweet. If
there's a knitting pattern, and when you're finished, let us know. We'll put it up there.
Okay, awesome.
All right. Thanks so much. And if you want a sticker, you know how to get it.
Thanks.
Okay. Well, that's it for the show and tell, everyone, this week.
Yeah, thanks,
everybody. Thank you to all our guests here. Dan, Kenny.
We didn't even show anything.
No.
You showed yourself.
You showed up.
Yeah.
You showed how much you cared.
And
we do care.
Thanks to Techniac. Thanks to Phil B. Thanks to Pedro. Thanks to Colin. Thanks to Coding Pro. And thanks to Blinkcity. And happy birthday, JMK.
Happy birthday!
Yay! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, I
All
love
right.
the thumbnail too.
Okay. All right. Ask an Engineer starts in a few minutes. Bye, everybody.
Okay, bye, everybody. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.